Hello, I came again to make a short speech, about this autobiographical speech, and this is the English version. I just made one of fans German version, and this is time to make the English version. I'd like to make an effort to mark the narrative is a phraseology to brings out lexical regionalisms. Well, of speaking in St. Louis is quite so different under the other type of Wolof spoken in Senegal. And when I'm speaking, the other Wolof people could have problem to understand what I'm saying because of this variation of Wolof new words, particular words, to describe the context and so on. The Wolof people could or they might get lost in this lexical maze. Sure. Then today, I'd like to talk about GAALU MAAM TALLA, MAAM TALLA's parrot or a chief. I'd like to take this opportunity to talk about the river context. The river context is the context where a birth was born in the north of Senegal, St. Louis. I'd like to deal with this river context, short of autobiographical context. River is the heart. Water is the heart of this story, this storytelling. Water, river, sea, and so on. It's normal, it's necessary. I will deal with the fishes, the carp, the eel, and soft sea fishes. This river, the river context, the river is near the market. St. Louis market, St. Louis market. St. Louis, Senegalese St. Louis, American St. Louis market. It is at the Mississippi River, but in Senegalese context. I'd like to deal with the different type of markets along the small arm of the river, the Senegal River. It will be about the fish market, the meat market, the shrimp market, the melon market, and so on. Now, let us make a sketch of Maam Talla. Who's Maam Talla? What type of man is he? He was very muscular, so strong, a strong man. He was so strong. Strong was Maam Talla. Strong with a long and white beard. He was strong despite his age. Dress is sober and pale, not so chic. was tall but not aggressive. Maam Talla seemed to be mixed. Maybe has Arabic or Berber blood, blood mixed with the local strains. Who knows? Maam Talla was a nice guy, but firm and not aggressive. He was a model for the young teenagers and young boys.